everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to select and delete multiple photos on your Android phone in just a few taps. Super simple and fast, so let's get started. First, open your Photos app. I would like to delete some from my screenshots, and then next tap and hold on one photo. This activates multi-select mode. Now just tap on the other photos you want to delete, like this. Once selected, tap the trash can icon or delete button. Confirm when it asks, and boom, all selected photos are deleted. And that's how you can clean up your gallery fast on Android. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.